Everyone should have access to sufficient nutritious, varied and safe food. It is a fundamental human right. The focus is primarily on the quality of our food. Sustainability, transparency, and innovation are becoming increasingly crucial to ensure that food supplies are secured for future generations. Farmers, producers, suppliers, and consumers must work together to protect the safety and diversity of our food chains. This is a journey. From the farm to the fork. Everyone in the food industry has an obligation to contribute to this principle of life. Making food safer is essential for us all.